Module 03, the meet and greet. This is where the game is won or lost. You have seconds to win the customer. Let's master the first impression. It starts with confident posture, a genuine smile, and strong eye contact. Your energy is contagious. If you don't believe in the greeting, they won't believe in the deal. Rapid rapport building. Break the ice instantly. Look for common ground. Offer a sincere compliment and treat them like a guest in your own home. Respect the person. Master the process. Take control early with agenda setting. Tell them exactly what's going to happen. In 15 to 20 minutes, this removes their anxiety and builds professional trust immediately. Then move into early qualification. Use soft, non-threatening questions to gauge their intent. Understand their wants versus their needs without applying any pressure. Be a professional, not a pest. Your body language is a silent weapon. Stand at a 45-degree stance. Keep your hands visible. Every move you make should communicate competence and service. Win before you greet. Control the energy, set the agenda, and dominate the first impression. Now go win the floor. Checkmate.